Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the pause menu, open settings right away and head to display because that's where subtitles live. Once there, find subtitles and toggle on. This turns on closed captions for missions and cutscenes. Make sure to pick your preferred language from the list so dialogue matches what you expect. If you're on PC, use ESC. On console, press Start or Options. Once done, exit the menu and test by loading a cutscene to confirm text appears at the bottom of the screen. Once subtitles are on, refine visibility by adjusting size and text speed so words aren't too small or too fast. This improves comprehension during rapid dialogue. Next, check display HUD and aspect ratio, sometimes 16:9 versus ultra-wide effects where text appears, so move to a different setting if lines get cut off. Also enable closed captions if you need sound labels like gunshots or phone rings. That complements dialogue subtitles. Make incremental finish by playing a mission or watching a cutscene to confirm subtitles appear consistently. Sometimes a quick restart of the game ensures settings stick. If subtitles still fail, inspect mods or UI texture packs that might override the display menu and disable them temporarily. As a last resort, reset display settings to defaults and re-enable subtitles because corrupted options can block captions. If problems persist after these steps, try verifying game files or reinstalling the update. That typically resolves persistent subtitle glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.